Today we're going to be talking about how competitors can be your BFF. The more you know about your competitors, the better able you will be to say what makes me special and unique and how I can set myself apart to attract more customers. I am assuming you're in business to have more customers. Research is key. Most good businesses have what? A website. You can go to a website and you can learn about how the company positions itself. What are their key selling points? What's their main marketing message? You can get a sense of who their target audience is by the images they use. Some of them even post their price points. The next thing you want to do is go visit a competitor if you can. Maybe you just do a drive-by and you take a look at what their window looks like and how they present themselves. And you can also go in and experience a service or a product. Remember, this is a legitimate business deduction if you're doing this for work. What you're doing is known as shopping the competition. It's been going on for decades. This is nothing new. And I promise you, your smart competitors are also shopping you and you don't even know it. The more you know about them, the better able you are going to be to say, this is how I'm going to stand out. That's today's Zipline Minute. To learn more about profit boosting strategies and tactics, visit my website at ziplinetosuccess.com.